Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ, and you know we just stay grinding. So we about to look at this, I believe 2007 Buick. 2007 that we picked up off of back open. I keep calling it, want to call it back lots, but it's open lanes, you know, for $1,000. Get some sheet off, cause man, the heat's blazing. Just went and took it to get an oil change. You know, oil change, top off all the fluids is always the best thing it has. 215,000 miles, good Buick 3800. Man, I meant to turn that off. Oh, then you started cooking up there. But yeah, it's 2007. Ain't got no shaking, ain't no rattle. I mean, usually, you know, Buicks be well taken care of. For the most part, people who own a Buick, they take good care of them. Usually it's elderly person, you know, it's not like not too many younger people just go out and be like, oh yeah, you know, get a Buick. You know, that's why I think GM kind of, you know, they kind of had a little market for everybody. You know, had the Chevys for like the younger folks, and as they graduate, you know, they'll graduate from you know, they like the GM products, you know. So, you know, you either go get you a Cadillac or, you know, a Buick. You know, you transition from, you know, Chevy, or if you was Pontiac or Saturn or whatever, and once they went away with those brands, then you just go to Buick, Cadillac, and, you know. Or if you was like, probably more of people who was Oldsmobile probably went to Buick, probably Pontiac went right to Chevy and stuff like that, and then you might have been Buick already and went to Cadillac, or you might have just stayed Buick the whole time. You never know. But yeah, you know, we're about to go to our little spot. Now we'll take them. I always try to have my cars, you know, take them in different spots. So, you know, just always give them a different look, you know, and always just basically kind of compare and contrast. You know, like, okay, do people like the pictures taken out of this one, or they just like the picture of this car, or how did the pictures turn out on this car? But you know, we're about to go to our little church and take our little friendly pictures. Well, I got this beanie on, you know, always gotta self-promote, but it's a little too hot right now for a beanie. You know, just a couple days ago, it was cold. You know, just 2 days ago it was windy and such and blah blah blah. And you know, now it's the sun now, starting to crack a little sweat. Let's get my pictures taken though. I gotta put some tire shine on there. Gotta put some tire shine on that Buick. But I mean, how good the picture's gonna come out, you ain't even gonna be able to tell. Might be able to tell from this side. Nah, you really can't. You can tell a little bit, but about time they come, the tire shine to be on there, so you can kind of tell that tire is not the glossiest, but Buick Lurcerne, good set of tires. Pictures. Good old picture of the front. Let them see what. Now we go to my shop. Go to the shop, get my little rag, wipe down the interior. I do got some WeatherTech floor mats in the trunk, so but I'm gonna have to wipe down this interior. Wipe down this interior, wipe down these seats. And then this thing it's gonna be already posted up there for sale, but I'm gonna throw some tire shine on there. I think we got some tire shine. I might have to go to Walmart or something. Throw a little gas in here too. I'll do that after I come back from Walmart. If I don't got no tire shine, I do gotta go pick up a couple of vehicles. Go to the bank, pay some bills. Bills. Park it right here. Get 2 towels. Spray the outside off with like, I think I got some. It's like some exterior detail, and then some interior detail. And make somebody a good old Buick. Money can ride off today with a Buick. That's what I told her. That's not a Buick. Go grab me a rag, wipe her down. Let me know in the comment section below. What can I sell this Buick for? Me, I'm thinking, you know, bought it for $1,000. Changed the oil. That's the only thing that really needed, and sprayed. It's a couple dollars to spray it off, so throw some tire shine on there. Good old 2500. Good set of tires. See AC work. You know, not all worth the Buick. Usually have something in here. Ooh, take that off. Yeah, I heard a little rough. Nope. This right there. I either use this or what is that? Like that turtle wax. It's like a turtle wax tire thing. But I'm gonna go grab some of that. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you know you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe. I'm out. Got one last walk around. Put some air in the tires, cause that tire looked a little low. Air them up to the right specs. Grab some tire shine. Gotta get a good picture of that tire, let people know like this thing got some good tread on it. You know. Already, you know, like, subscribe, share, all that. Peace. We out.